Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the hottest and news token on CoinGecko listed. Today we are talking about TCGCoin 2.0 or the shortcut TCG2, already in profits and not even 2 hours listed on CoinGecko. We see a trend which goes upward, so we don't have much trading volume right now, but it is a new token which is quite interesting. Why, I will show you right now. Before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about the newest tokens on CoinGecko listed, and for sure let me know into the comments what you think about this project, and maybe leave me a like if you like this project or this video. TCG World, it's now a beta. You can find the project on tcg.world. This is their website, the largest open world metaverse NFT platform. So you can buy here some kind of NFTs, be a part of our ever-growing community, create our own story within the metaverse alongside 20k plus holders. See more below. So let's see, this is how it could look like. And here you can buy some areas, your own area to live, your own area to create a new life, a new community. You can buy here many different plots, right? Different sizes, different lookings, and for sure we have here some houses, a gold farm, silver farm, diamond farm. So it looks all quite nice. And populate your world. You can populate your world with different, I want to say animals, I want to say some different weird characters here. And for sure, about TCG, we're here to build the next virtual home for humanity. So let's see what they write here. We're eager. Create your own story and shape your own destiny in fully immersive open world gaming experience. Be part of an ever-growing community where dreams truly do come true. What is Metaverse? The future is here. Earn crypto, play games, and make new friends in a virtual world with a real crypto economy. Explore a vast world filled with breathtaking scenery and fascinating cultures. So that means it's another play to earn game. So that's nice. I earn money when I play this game. I earn cryptocurrency. We have big plans. Are you an artist? Bring your creations to life within the metaverse and launch your own NFT career. Virtual houses need virtual art, so you can apply here for an artist for the TCG world. Maybe create some kind of new creatures like this for their maps. Check out your latest trailer. You can click here on that button. You can see the trailer. You can register now. Here, how TCG World works. Yeah, I'm also interesting. Play. The metaverse is filled with games, collections, puzzles, and social activities for all ages and interests. It's your playground. Collect. Meet the strange and bizarre creatures called sprites that roam the metaverse. Catch them to earn collectible NFTs which you can sell, trade, or take them into battle. Oh, that's nice. This sounds a little bit like a Pokemon, because you can catch them all, right? And here also catch them to earn collectible NFTs which you can sell, trade, or take them into battle. That's nice. Trade in the metaverse. Furniture, houses, creatures, art, and more are all NFTs that can be bought and sold. Some will be rare, some will be valuable. What will you do with your own plot in the metaverse? Build a dream home, an art gallery, a dance club, a mystery house, a park, a restaurant. The opportunity are endless. So that sounds nice. I like it. It's a virtual NFT living space where you can give your mind freedom on this platform, your ideas freedom. Live charts and data we will look later on KuCoin app. Here you can buy on PancakeSwap for sure this token. Let's see if it is listed somewhere else also right now. No, it's a new token. Now it's listed on PancakeSwap just. But it is okay. It's normal for an Binance Smart Chain token, BB20 token. Here you can contact them, and they are for sure on Twitter, Facebook, Reddit and Telegram. Let's see what else they have. Map, this is coming soon. Game for sure, it's not okay, it's not now on launching time. Marketplace, they have already a marketplace of which you can buy some areas. Here an empty area, some with houses, and you can feel free to take or make your own place. So the marketplace is, it looks like it is working. On Telegram they have now 5,000 members and 526 are online right now. Twitter they have over 4,000 followers. And that was my channel. The trend on KuCoin app. Oh, dramatically upwards trend. Okay. Let's see here. Let's make here 15 minutes chart. Then we can see more. So that token was listed on the blockchain on 28 August. But from now to then, I mean, look this trend. I mean, it is already 0.03. It is already 3x, right? So if you are one of the first investors, you already triple your amount of cash. And you can see here the market cap right now is already 26 million, and we have here 500,000 on holdings. But I'm very surprised here with this chart. So it is just upward. People buy like it has no tomorrow. And for sure you have here the quick seller. These guys, I mean, here was someone big. He was going outside the market. We cannot see right now how much, but you can see the trend is just upward. So I feel good about this project. It's very new, it's very fresh. I told you it's right now I do this video 2 hours listed on CoinGecko. And the sad thing is, I don't know much behind this project right now, right? I don't know which guys are making this project, are doing this project. Maybe you can help me out with that. You can see some nice graphics. So you have here a 3-dimensional. It's not only a world you can look from up. From 2-dimensional, it looks like 3-dimension, and I think if they do it like these pictures are showing, this will be a huge game. You cannot say it. It's an NFT place. It's with NFT assets walking around, acting with each other. You can use some NFTs for sure, I think, in this world. So that's why it's called TCG world, right? And yeah, let me know what you think about this project. Maybe write down into the comments what you think about TCG world, maybe leave me a like and for sure subscribe this channel. It will help me a lot to go forward and make more about these videos. And right now, I just wish you all the best profits on the blockchain sky. Don't miss this hype. And until we make the next video, I wish you all the best and see you later, alligator. Bye.